3세 생일을 보고 제가 문을 두드렸거든요. Hey, grandma. Hi. Good. How are you? My name is Haemin. I live here for 3 years. Yeah, I'm from Korea. The Flatbush. I work at Prospect Park, and I saw this like celebration letter, and I think it's so sweet. Let's see you at your 100th birthday.
Oh,
Yay.
thank you
for
so much.
reminding
Thank
me.
you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you. That's
have a
very
good
nice
day.
of you.